Sylvana, the guardian of the woods, was said to possess a unique connection to nature's heart. Her existence was veiled in an enigmatic aura, and only a chosen few claimed to have glimpsed her radiant presence. She was rumoured to be ethereal, with hair the colour of moonlight and eyes as deep and green as the forest itself. The legend of Sylvana began generations ago, passed down through the elders. It was said that she dwelled in a hidden grove where the tallest and most ancient trees of the forest converged. This sacred place was known as the Grove of Whispers, for it was said that the wind itself whispered secrets to those who dared venture close. The secret Sylvana guarded was the essence of the forest's vitality. The villagers believed that her presence was the very reason their home thrived. Crops flourished, animals thrived, and harmony prevailed among them. Yet the village faced a dilemma. The forest was slowly diminishing, and the elders feared that the secret might be lost forever. One fateful evening, a curious young woman named Alara decided to embark on a quest to uncover the truth of Sylvana and her secret. Armed with determination and a heart full of wonder, she ventured deep into the forest, guided only by the legends that whispered in the wind. Days turned into weeks as Alara navigated through the thick undergrowth, deciphering cryptic clues hidden within the forest's beauty. She encountered mystical creatures and overcame formidable challenges, all of which seemed to test her unwavering resolve. Finally, after a relentless pursuit, Alara arrived at the Grove of Whispers. Under the full moon's radiant glow, she saw Sylvana standing amid the towering trees, her presence radiating an otherworldly aura. The goddess turned to Alara, her eyes filled with both sadness and hope. With a voice as gentle as the rustling leaves, Sylvana revealed the forest's secret. The ancient pact between her and the village required a guardian to protect the woods. But in return, the village had to cherish and respect the forest, for it was a delicate balance between human and nature. Over time, the villagers had forgotten this pact, and their disregard for the forest had weakened its vitality. Sylvana implored Alara to return to the village and share this revelation. Alara knew that it was a heavy responsibility, but she embraced it wholeheartedly. Alara returned to the village, and with her newfound knowledge, she rallied the villagers to honour the pact with Sylvana. They pledged to protect the forest and live in harmony with nature once more. As the seasons passed, the forest began to flourish, its vibrancy returning with each act of reverence. And so, the secret of the forest goddess, Sylvana, was no longer a mystery, but a sacred bond between the villagers and the guardian of the woods. The village thrived, and the legend of Sylvana lived on as a reminder of the profound connection between humanity and the natural world.